channel. I'm actually on my way to do some hair educational videos at Freshly Rooted Salon. So I'm going to take you guys along while I get a haircut. Yep, a haircut. These videos are going to be put on the Freshly Rooted website for hair education purposes. So if you want to learn more about hair, about, you know, getting better cutting hair, like if you're a stylist, then you can watch her videos. So I'm going to show you guys what we're going to be doing. So let's go. Okay, so I'm here about to go back. You know, it's a salon, so they have to make sure you're taking proper precautions. So I have my mask, I just washed my hands. So let's go to this.
It's me, of course. I am about to teach my live curl contouring class. We have the lovely Eboni right here. She is the wonderful model, and she's gonna get her curls cut. So I'm very, very excited. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go through and do her consultation, and then after that, then I'm gonna take her back to the bowl. We're gonna do a full detox on her, stain, and then I'm actually going to set her curls and put her in the dryer and let her do her thing. So tell me a little bit about your hair.
Okay, so I've been natural since about 2009.
2009, you said?
Yes.
Okay.
I pretty much stick with twist outs and wash and goes.
Okay.
So my hair is usually either like this in a twist out. I don't retwist it every day.
Excited. So there is her full-on situation. Just rake in place. You don't have to go in and do the extra most. I hate to say that the less you do, the better it comes out, but sometimes in this natural hair community world that we live in, it is.
Wait, maybe angle her back just a tiny bit. Like, a little diagonal-ish. Yeah, here you go.
Okay. Okay, so
Yeah,
you see,
right here.
right here, okay. So you see how we're now up here at the front? I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna smooth that. We're following each other. We were following each other for a while.
A long time.
Yeah, we've been following each other for a very long time. And I did the expo back in the top of March, you know, before the world went to hell. And so we're gonna go in. And it's still fairly damp right in here, so that's why I'm not holding it too tight. I'm not going through because it is. I'm the owner and curly hair specialist here at Freshly Rooted Salon. here in Norman, Oklahoma. So I've been doing hair for over 15 years, and all that time I've been specializing in curly hair, whether you want it colored or blown out or cut. Well, there's a need for professional stylists to understand curly hair, and how people want to be seen, and how the hair needs to actually sit on the hair. Also a need for the guests, the salon guests, to actually be able to go home and to some degree create what it is that we create in the salon, or at least to get a little bit more manageability to their hair, so they feel comfortable in their own skins. I just want everyone to be comfortable with curls. If that's what you want to do, if that's how you want to wear your hair, or if that is the particular guest that you want to service.
What is your favorite curly hair or natural hair style that you like to do on clients?
Curl set, wash and go, hands down, hands down. They're so much quicker. You really get a feel for your natural self, your actual hair, your actual pattern, and learn to actually accept that instead of recreating that with rod sets or twist outs, which take longer. And not everybody is a rod set and twist out person. Wash and go, hands down, hands down. You know, I love a good blowout. You know, I love that good silk. You know, but it's something about putting your hands in those curls that, you know, they're coming down the hair shaft. It just feels, you know, it feels good. It feels good. I love it.
Let's take it down. Okay. It's fully dry. As you can see, it's a little flat, but I like it. I'm really loving this cut. Let me know if I should go shorter. I'm thinking maybe we could go a little bit shorter next time. I don't know. Maybe so, maybe not. Okay, you guys, so it is Sunday. It's been a full week in my wash and go with my haircuts. I'm really liking how it turned out. If you're interested in getting a curly cut, I will definitely leave Jana's information below. That way you can check her out. Also, my wash and go just stayed, it stayed really defined and moisturized throughout the week. The only thing I did was wear my scarf at night, and sometimes I will put my bonnet on over that in the shower, but I really like it. So you guys let me know your thoughts. Yes, so you guys let me know your thoughts on curly cutting and things of that nature. I really enjoyed this cut. I'll definitely be back in a few weeks. Well, probably not a few weeks, but like a month or so, because I think I want her to trim a little bit in the front. Loving it. So I'll be sure to bring you guys some more tutorials, and I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Be sure to check out another vlog. Don't leave yet. I have plenty more for you to binge, for you to watch. And don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below, and thanks for watching.